Major market indexes, the Dow, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, all down, as you can see, significantly, with the Dow Jones now down 2%. KTVU's James Torres joining us now from our newsroom with more on the global sell-off and the concerns about a U.S. recession. James.
Good morning to you, Pam. Well, the numbers are slightly worse than expected. We can take a look at the board and you'll see the Nasdaq and Dow each opening down by more than 1,000 points each. S&P opening at more than 4% down. We expected a pretty down Monday after a weekend of headlines describing that global sell-off, with unemployment up and job growth much slower than expected. Economic experts hope this is not proof of something larger. Unemployment is up to about 4.3%, the highest rate since October 2021. And last week, we learned job growth numbers from July were about 70,000 jobs short than expected. That bled into stocks around the globe, where European markets took a hit, and Japan stocks saw its worst drop since 1987. This news also spilling into the world of politics, too. Former President Trump reacting on Truth Social, taking jabs and putting blame on the Biden administration. Now, some economists say this might be evidence the Federal Reserve, which is an independent body to politics, waited too long to cut interest rates. We know a cut is coming in September, but some experts suggest it could step in with an emergency interest rate cut as well. Of course, we'll keep you posted if that happens. We're live this morning in the newsroom. I'm James Torres, KTVU, Fox 2 News. Okay.